Tell me what you're trying to do.
Pull out the guinea pigs.
With what?
These.
And what are those?
The Angry Birds.
Oh.
I'm just trying to get them. Oh, just missed. Right into the kitchen. Oh, green. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, just missed.
Maybe you should sit a little bit closer.
I have to stay away because they're bad.
What's bad?
The guinea pigs.
Oh.
They sneak away the eggs. Run away! They sneak away the eggs and Angry Birds on iPad and iPhone.
Oh.
Remember?
Yes.
Oh, I just missed. I hope green can win. Let's try. Come on, you can do it.
Have you ever knocked any of them down?
No!
Oh.
It looks trickier than ever.
Oh, there you go.
Kind of moved. Oh, missed. Red got it.
Oh, there you go.
Part of it. Uh-oh. More Angry Birds. I had it knocked down. Woo-hoo. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Whoa! That was a big hit. How do you like all those hits?
Very good. Better collect all your Angry Birds.
Now I'm going to roll 3 at a time to get the rest.
Okay.
Whoa! 2 at a time.
You
Oh!
split it.